Hi friends, in this video we are learning how to write the query in SQL Oracle. Okay, so before writing query we must know how to write the query. Okay, so for writing query you must follow the execution order, SQL execution order. What is that exactly? SQL execution order. So I write here SQL execution order. So this is very important. So if you understand this SQL execution order, you are able to write the SQL queries, any type of SQL queries. Okay, for that you just follow me. So first one is select, then distinct, then third one is from, then fourth one is where, fifth one is group by, then sixth one is having, and seventh one is order by. Okay, for any query in SQL must follow these steps in sequential order. Okay, sequential order is like this. First you have to use select, and second distinct, third from. Then if your query containing conditions you must use where clause, then group by, then having, then order by. Okay, so this is what you have to follow the things. So if you know this thing, you can write any type of SQL query. If you not understand or not know these things, how to write the SQL query execution order, so you will not understand how to write the queries in SQL. So this is very important. So for example, I write some of the queries here so you can understand it properly. You can see here. So I write one simple query here. Select ID, comma, count of ID from table name, group by ID, okay, having count of ID is greater than 1. This is what one query here I written. So check with whether it is following SQL order. Okay, first I used here select, then I used column name, that is ID, and count of ID. Okay, then it comes to from. I didn't use distinct here because I don't want. Okay, then after select I used from, then table name, then I used having, sorry, group by, then came to having. Okay, so this is what the things. First I explained you already: select, distinct, from, group by, having, order by. Okay, so I already told you this one. Okay, so I use here in this query I use select, distinct I didn't use because I don't want this, and from I used. After from I have used group by. You can see here group by is used. Then I used having. You can see here having. After group by having came here. So after group by having came here. After from group by came here. After select from came here. So this is what the order of SQL query. So this is very important. If you know this properly, then only you can able to write any of the query in SQL. So this is what the thing here. You must know the order of SQL query. So then one more example I take here. Select first name, from table name where salary is greater than 5,000. So this is one simple query. You can see here, first I use select, then I don't want distinct, and then later it came from, then it is came where clause. Okay, then condition is salary is greater than 5,000. So those employees first name it will display. But you can see here order of SQL query. So after select you have here from, and then you have where. If we want to use group by here, after where condition we must use group by condition, but we don't require in this query, so I didn't use. Okay, so this is what the pattern or mode of the order of SQL query. So first you know this properly, then only you can able to write any type of queries in SQL. So after select from will came, after from then where clause, after where clause group by, after group by having, after having order by. Whichever you require in writing query you can use those. It's not mandatory that you have to use all these clause in one single query. Okay, however your convenient, whichever you require in your query you can use, but in this fashion. Okay, so you have to follow the order of SQL query. So then only you can able to write any type of query in SQL Oracle. So I think you like this video, and kindly subscribe to my channel. So that's very great motivational for me to make more videos on SQL Oracle. So next, in my next video I tell you the execution of SQL query. So that is also very important, how the written query will be going to execute. Okay, in what pattern, in what mode it will start executing the query. Okay, then it will display result view. So if not subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel. So till that, bye, have a nice day, take care, we will meet you next.